morning students. In today's video, you will be studying about noise pollution, air pollution and global warming.
Noise pollution. What is noise pollution? Any unwanted sound dumped into the atmosphere is called noise pollution. What are the causes? Causes are man-made and natural. How are the human beings responsible for noise pollution? Let us see. Industries. Industries make use of many machineries, and these machines while functioning make lot of noise. Mining. Even while mining, the miners use many machines. So mining also creates lot of noise pollution. Crackers. During the festival Deepavali, when the people burst the crackers, it makes a lot of pollution, noise pollution, as well as air pollution. Automobiles. Automobiles, whenever they honk, so that makes noise pollution. Aeroplanes make lot of noise pollution. So this is how human beings are responsible for noise pollution. Natural. How is nature responsible for noise pollution? Thunder. Thundering causes lots of noise pollution. Cyclones also cause a lot of noise pollution because air blows very fast as well as it brings heavy rain, both cause noise pollution. Then heavy rainfall, even the waterfalls. Waterfalls also make lot of noise pollution. So this is how human beings as well as nature, they are responsible for noise pollution. What are the effects of noise pollution? First one is headache, hearing loss, psychological disorder. So if you are in a noisy room for 3 to 4 hours, the people who are sensitive, they get headache. And if you are exposed to noise pollution for a longer period like 5 to 6 years, there are the possibilities of hearing loss, or your ear will not be sensitive enough to hear the sound later. Psychological disorder. Some people who are sensitive, they may get into depression. Then some people who are sensitive may get heart attack. So this is how noise pollution also has some bad effects. Measures. How to control noise pollution? Keep the industries away. If there are some cities, the industries must be situated at the outskirts of the city so that the noise will not affect the people or the residents. Soundproof walls. So soundproof walls, if you have or if you build, definitely they will not allow the noise to pass through that. And soundproof walls is other solution. And honking should be restricted. In some of the areas, you might have seen honking is prohibited. Like hospitals or schools, they restrict the honking of the vehicles and even the sirens. And the loudspeakers, the use of loudspeaker is also restricted. So this is how we can take some measures to prevent this noise pollution. Air pollution. What is air pollution? Unwanted substances put into the air by the human beings which cause bad effect on the health of the human beings. So this is the definition of air pollution according to World Health Organization WHO. What are the causes of air pollution? Once again here we have human beings as well as nature. Both are responsible for air pollution. Let us see how human beings are responsible for air pollution. First one is gases from the industries. Industries need fuel to run the machines, and whenever we burn these fossil fuels, gases are emitted from the industries and they cause air pollution. Automobiles use petrol or diesel fossil fuels, and when they are burnt, smoke is emitted and that causes air pollution. Nuclear explosion. Many countries of the world, they test nuclear weapons, and for that they have to explode, and even that nuclear explosion creates air pollution or makes the air polluted. Then burning of crackers, burning of the waste, so even they make the air polluted. How is nature responsible for air pollution? Volcanoes, whenever they bring so much of smoke and other materials, ash and dust, so they make air polluted. Forest fire. During the summer season, some thick forests catch fire, and even forest fire makes the air polluted. What are the effects of air pollution? You all know that there is one layer in the atmosphere. That layer is O3 or ozone layer. So this ozone layer acts like a filter, and this ozone layer, due to air pollution, gets depleted. Next effect is global warming. The temperature of the earth is increasing slowly, and this is called global warming, and even the human beings get affected due to air pollution. Those who have asthma, they get affected by the polluted air. And according to doctor, the people of Bengaluru, due to polluted air, the number of cases of asthma is increasing. So these are the effects of air pollution. Measures. How can we prevent this air pollution? First one is planting of more trees, because the trees absorb the carbon dioxide and they give us oxygen. So planting of more trees controls air pollution. Use of non-conventional energy. The people of the world, mainly they are depending on fossil fuels, which create lot of air pollution like diesel, petrol. Instead of these sources of energy, we have to use non-conventional sources of energy like solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, which do not create air pollution. The next measure is educate the people. Educate the people about air pollution, tell them about the effects of air pollution, and tell them to minimize the air pollution. Like this, we can bring awareness among the people. Even that helps in controlling the air pollution. global warming. What is global warming? Increase in the temperature of the earth is called global warming. According to NASA, the average temperature of the earth since 2001 is increased by 1 degree Celsius. So that tells that the temperature of the earth has increased gradually. What are the reasons for global warming? One is greenhouse effect. Next one is trapping of temperature, deforestation. So we learn about greenhouse effect in the next slide. What are the effects of global warming? Melting of glaciers. The polar regions are covered by ice and glaciers, and due to increase in the temperature of the earth, the glaciers melt, and this melted water joins the river and rivers join the sea, resulting the rising level of sea level. And once the sea level rises, the areas get submerged under the sea. So most of the cities which are in the coastal areas, they are losing the land because of rising level of sea. The cities like Dhaka, Mumbai, Chennai, New York, so all these cities are facing the problem. Then melting of ice of the mountains like Himalayas. You all know that Himalayas are covered by ice, and when the ice melts, the melted water joins the rivers like Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yamuna, and these rivers increase the sea level. So this is about global warming and the effects of global warming.